This is how we can swipe apps on your iPad. Multiple different things you might mean, and let's get into it. First of all, there is the app switcher, where similarly, like on your iPhone, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen and bring all of the open windows. Just hold your finger there a little bit and all of them are going to pop up. So you can use the swipe up feature to just close the apps in the background. I think, yeah, you can even use two fingers at the same time to just close the windows more quickly. So it's up to you, but this is how you can close them by swiping them up on your iPad from the app switcher. Another way how you can swipe apps or swipe in between apps is by opening up any kind of application you want, and then you have this little bar at the bottom of the screen. So you can grab it and not just swipe up to return to the home screen, but instead swipe horizontally across it to the left side most likely, or even to the other one, and you can switch in between the open apps. So you can go through and switch between the open apps on your iPad without having to come back to the home screen and then reopening another app. So it is very simple, and that's how you can swipe in between the apps as well. It's very quick. If you, on the other hand, prefer like different gesture, there is also the ability to use four fingers at the same time, where you just use four fingers and swipe across the screen entirely, and you should be able to just get back and forth between the apps the same way as using the bar at the bottom. Personally, I like the first option a bit more, but if you want to use four fingers, you might as well just do that if you wish. So that's it for me. If you like this type of directly to the point tutorials, then subscribe to this channel and also hit the thumbs up if you found something useful in this video. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.